Welcome to the project demonstration of condition based monitoring and maintenance system. So in this project we are going to continuously monitor and maintain the this exhaust fan by using the three types of sensors. One is a vibration sensor. So whenever if is there any mechanical fault occurred inside this exhaust fan, then the vibrations will be occurred, that will be counted by this vibration sensor. And also if is there any heavy load occurred, then the temperature will be increased, that will be monitored by this temperature sensor. And also due to any like short circuit or any fault occurred, then due to that the current will be increased more than the normal power consumption, that will be identified by this series resistors to measure the current. So these three sensors continuously monitored by the ESP32, and the so-called status continuously displayed on the 16:2 LCD screen. And if is there any abnormality detected, nothing but any vibrations are more than predefined values, or temperature is more than predefined value, or the power consumption is more, then the system will on this audible alerts through the buzzer, and also will show the status on the LCD screen directly. So here the main features, and for that we are using the components like to power up the system by using this regular power supply board, which will take 230 volts AC inputs and provide us the 5 volts DC outputs. So that is parallelly distributed throughout the input output modules, and the next 230 volts parallelly given as input to this load. So whenever the abnormality detected, then automatically the relay will get switched on, as in showing status of abnormality there at the exhaust fan. So by on this bulb. And this one is the main processing unit ESP32, and this is the breadboard for distribution of 5 volts, and the buzzer board, and there consists of transistor, so which has a which will act as a switch here to on this buzzer, and this series current resistors to measure the current, just to on and off the fan. So to just show the status of the current, when it is off, the current is going to be the 0. And the above is a vibration sensor, and this is the temperature sensor. So let us see demonstration. So on the power supply, then the system will display the welcome message. So welcome message displayed on the LCD screen, and thereafter, as of now, the vibrations are 0, and just as you can see, the current is 00 milliamps. Just we on this, as we can see, the current consumed by this exhaust fan, and the temperature is 25 degree centigrade. So let us heat up the temperature sensor to make the fault. So high temperature alerts. So when the temperature normal again, then will coming to the normal. So when it is below 40 degrees centigrade, then it is normal. And coming to the vibrations, so just slowly tapping on the vibration sensor, we can get the vibrations over here. And whenever heavily vibration on that, then whenever the vibration is more than 10,000, then vibration alert message along with buzzer alerts. And the current also just to show the current status, as we can see, the 0.95 milliamps of current is consumed by the load. So when we off the fan, then 0 amps. So when it crosses a 1.5 ampere due to the any load occurred that, then it will provide us the audible alerts along with relay controlling. Right. Thank you. So here we have interfaced the LCD using this I2C module to this ESP32.